Hey guys, it's Yvette and welcome to Vlogmas day number 12. Oh my goodness. It's day 12 already. Of course, I don't have to tell you this. You know, you're on the journey with me. It just seems like it's flying by. Of course, this entire year, as you know, poopy as it's been for everybody, has really flown by. I mean, oh my goodness. I just can't get over it in my head. Anyway, so we did feed little sweetie tonight. She's doing fine. It's not even that cold outside tonight. So not really worried about her tonight. I don't know what I'm going to do if and when it like snows or something. I mean, I don't know. My head's going to be going nuts if this happens. But anyway, let's go ahead and get our advent calendars open. I'm very excited to check out what's inside. So here is our Cotton Cuts box. And Jellybean is actually sitting right here to the right. He was taking a bath and now he's watching me. Here's our day 12. And of course I'm going to put the box away because I love Jellybean and I want him to be able to play with the paper, but not while it's still halfway through the month. We're gonna, want to keep the paper as nice as possible. Okay, so number 12. This is our fat quarter number 12 from Cotton Cuts. And our little saying today is, the best things in life are made by hand. And that's everything, guys. That's like your food, your quilts, your wall hangings, mug rugs, everything. Okay, so that's our saying for day 12. And here is our fabric. It is like, this is so interesting. It's sort of like this. What color is it really? Jellybean, you want to sniff? You sniffing it? If I put my like this, will you bring your head all the way over so everyone can see you? And not think I'm just being crazy? You don't even like see his paw and oh look, his little ear. He's sitting on the sewing machine, that's why. Okay, let's see if I can find any selvage on here. No, this isn't the selvage with the print on it. So I don't know what collection this is from. But it's interesting. Okay, so like, I know you probably can't tell the nuances in the camera, but it's like this chartreuse color maybe. And then it's got the uniform black dots everywhere, but it also has like this lighter chartreuse color of like water droplets or something in the background. Now that I've told you that, do you see it? So that's what that is. Well, that's what it looks like. It looks like, like splatters or something. But it's like that same color, except lighter. It's interesting looking. It's interesting. Okay, so that's our fat quarter. And, of course, I gotta, like, fold it perfect, like, All right, now we have the Stitch Supply Company. I'm gonna open up day 12. My goodness, this is the end of our second row. All right. Oh, it's a little tin. Look. I have to turn it sideways to kind of pull it out, or to attempt to pull it out. I can't really get it out. I just busted up my entire finger. Boy, that hurt. I had to work hard for this one. It says quilt letters ABC. See that, buddy? What you think? Yeah? Is this safe? Can I open it up? What do you think? Yeah? Okay. Okay, so then I take... Oh. Okay. Organization is key. Your future self will thank you if you pin these tags to your quilt pieces or blocks. Yeah, what's the bud? And then they're in there. They're like felt, or My goodness. I mean, if you have to like pull the, oh! Sorry guys, sorry. They're adorable. They really are. But it's like they're so tight in there. Okay. My poor fingers are like getting all chewed up. Okay, so like here's the in. And it's like they're hand sewn. They're like sewed. There's 2 layers. They're sewed together. There's the front and then there's the back. You can see how they stitched it. They're really adorable. They're just, oh my goodness, it's so tight in there. Like you have to, I would imagine, like for me, I'd have to put this in a different container. I mean, there's no way. I would use the container for something else. It's nice that it's packaged this way. I know why they had to do it, but oh my goodness, it's tight. Like and they're flying all over the place. I'm sorry, this is crazy. But they're really adorable. I like this. I'm so excited about these. Oh, and this is a blank one. Look, it's blank. I'm playing Scrabble. It's my blank tile. Let's see. Where is... Oh, here's the J. Look, it's a J for Jellybean. You gonna come get it? Yeah. There's no nip in it, though, buddy. I don't think. No, there's no nip. What? Okay, you're trying to get it smack up your nose. I don't think that's gonna... No? You gonna play with it? Yeah, it's... Oh, okay. You're pulling it over. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you can't eat that, buddy. That's Mommy's. You really like it, huh? You like it? It is your letter. That's you. Yeah, that's your letter. Okay. I think this is adorable. I like it. I'm really excited about it. I'm going to find something else to put it in because it's just too tight in there. It's super cute the way that they did it though, to put it in here. I think that was super cute. And Lord have mercy, like whoever it is that had to put them in to begin with, God bless you. Because it's kind of tough. They're like really tight in there. I know I've said that like 12 times, but it really is. Okay, let me try. I'm going to try to put them back in just for now, because if I don't, you know, the cats are going to end up taking them all over the house. So let me see if I can get this back in there. I don't know. Okay, hold on. All right, I got one half in. I think that's the easy half though. You know, I mean, like getting the first side in that's the easy side, because then look how big it is and look how much you got for the other side. Okay, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I have hope that it's gonna get in there. I even really like that purple color. I mean, I don't like pink, but okay, seriously? How did they do this? I mean, it's like, oh, okay, they're in there. Yeah, I'm gonna find something different to put that in. I got them back in. And I'm going to put the little thing back in there. I'm going to put it just like it was. And we're going to take it for now. And we're going to put it back in the box. Back in the box. Back in the bowl. Sorry, guys. Okay. And now here we go with the Stitchy box. If you recall, yesterday we received burlap stocking, which wasn't even really formed nicely. I mean, that's just my opinion. I'm sorry if anyone thinks I'm being negative. I'm really not. I just can't stress enough that it seems to me like when I purchased it, I thought, and this is the thing, is that when you purchase something and you're getting surprises, don't be surprised when you're surprised. Okay, so and I know this, and we're good. Everything's good in hood. I guess I sort of thought it was going to be more of an upscale kind of thing because, you know, $230 is not really something to shake a stick at, and I certainly would never have thought I was getting a burlap sack in there. Jellybean, you just squished Mama's finger. Okay, that's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Lovely little burlap stocking, really. Okay, Jellybean, you just sat on the box. Baby, Mommy's got, just let Mommy find day 12, okay? I know. Sit right here. You can sit right here. Right there. Okay. Okay, here we go. I'm going to find day 12. All right, here we go. All right. Oh, that's 20. I remember that. Oh, found it. Okay, put this back in there. Set this down for tomorrow. Okay. Here is day 12. Is there nip in there, buddy? Did we get nip? No nip? Okay. All right, here we go, buddy. Here we go. Okay. The little paper says, okay. Day 12 is antique silk floss. So, yeah, no kitties on that one, buddy. No, I know. I know, buddy. I know. I love you. I'll find you something to play with, okay? One of my favorite things about, antique silk floss. Did I say that? Okay. One of my favorite things about Christmas is tradition. Things that are passed down from generation to generation. Baby, don't do that. I was so happy to find this floss, which is over 100 years old, so that you can stitch an instant heirloom with it. I must be the weirdest person on earth. I must be, because what? It says, wash with care, dry quickly. Tyrian dyes, rope silk, manufactured by the New London Wash Silk Company. Okay, baby, don't play with this. Apparently, it's $1 million. Just, no, don't. I know. It's 100 years old, guys. Yeah, we're just going to let Jellybean sniff it. So this is 100-year-old floss. And it's got like a knot in it. Hold up. Hold on, Jellybean. Let me see what this is. Jellybean, don't chew it! For goodness sakes. Maybe that's just how they... See, like on the... Right here on the end. That's all knotted. And it's not like the end. It's like in the middle. I have no idea. Okay. I know, sweetheart. I know. He's like, Mommy's teasing me with this string. I can't play with it. I don't understand what's going on right now. It's okay, buddy. What? Really? Really? Okay, don't. I know. I'm a terrible mother, right? Here, you want to play with some washi tape? Okay, so we have 100-year-old floss. Okay, so I just want to reassure everyone. The thing is, I didn't know what I was getting into. I bought both of these, the Halloween and the Christmas one, earlier this year when, you know, the whole COVID stuff was in the beginning. And I don't know, I just bought them one night. I don't know why. It's been interesting. I'll give you that. It's been very interesting opening these up. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. So, just so you know, it's not like I bought the Halloween bash and then opened it up at Halloween and then knew that kind of disappointed me, but still bought the Christmas one. That's not what happened. I bought them both like in, I don't remember, March, April, May. I mean, really, time flies. I don't remember exactly when, but it was at the beginning of the year like that. Anyway, we're still having a great time opening it, aren't we, Jellybean?
Yeah. He like, yeah, Mama wouldn't let me play with that string. I know what's up. He thinks I'm being so mean to him. I'm being so mean. Mama don't let me play with the string. String equals cats.
Okay, guys, so I'll see you guys for day 13 tomorrow. Please don't forget to make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you then. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah.